Here are 10 Fiverr jobs with no skills and zero knowledge. In this video, I'll be taking you through 10 Fiverr jobs that you can get right now without experience, knowledge, or special skills. Fiverr has been around for a long time, in fact since 2010, and they've made a lot of people rich. It is a huge marketplace for freelancers that offer digital services. Therefore, you can make money with Fiverr from Nigeria doing digital services. All you need is your phone, tablet, or computer system with a good internet access. Many people want to start making money online from Nigeria, but they don't know how to start. So I hope one of these jobs that require no skills and zero knowledge from your part will help you to start out with Fiverr. But to the business of the day, 10 Fiverr jobs that you can do with no skills and zero knowledge. So let's do it. One of the Fiverr jobs with no skills and zero knowledge you can do is posting of links on social media platforms. You can see these are individuals doing these jobs on Fiverr. Let me show you how much they are making. This person is start charging from $5. I will share your website link on different social media. So what you do is to help people that have website to share the links of their articles on all the social media platforms that you have. You will ensure you have presence on social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, so that you'll be able to take jobs on Fiverr, posting links on your social media platform, and you will need a lot of followers. So look at this person. I will shout out and share links, 20 million FB. So you need to join a lot of groups on Facebook, on different social media platforms, and there are new social media platform ideas that can help you achieve these tasks. Look at this person, we charge $10. This person will charge $35, $45. Look at this person is charging $45. He has done 589 of these jobs. I will share your link or post on my Facebook page. It's charging $10. I will create engaging social media posts, caption. It's charging $50. All you need to do is to study these people and start working. Another job you can do with no skills and zero knowledge is coloring pictures. There are so many people that want to restore their old pictures to new pictures. There's a special software that can help you to do this automatically online. All you need to do is to sign up, search for coloring pictures, and see how people design their profile and gig, and you start doing the same thing. I did a full review of how you can do that. Watch this video here. It takes you through a step-by-step process of how to restore pictures with free tools online. Everything that you need to use to do this job are free. So they will give you a picture that is bad like this, and you turn it to this just by uploading the picture. You upload them and you send it back to them, and you collect your $5. So this is what everybody is doing. Look at this picture. Old picture is turned to new picture. Old picture is turned to new picture. Old picture is turned to new picture. There's a special software that will do it for you. I explain in this video. So just watch it. Click that link that shows, and start making money, helping people to improve their old pictures. Within one click, you finish with it and you earn your money. You don't need skills or knowledge to do that. As long as you can hold computer mouse, or you use your tablet or phone to upload those pictures. As I explained in that video, it's very easy for you to make. Thank you. Watching YouTube video is another job that requires no skills and knowledge that you can do from home in Nigeria. People require you to watch their YouTube video, drop comment, or transform their audio messages into a written format and send it back to them. That is doing captioning. So this is what these people are doing. This is their work on this platform. Look at this. I will promote 4,000 hours for YouTube watch time. So people can ask you to just be watching their YouTube videos for them. I will watch and summarize a YouTube video. It's collecting $10. I will watch any YouTube video. It's collecting $50. I will read book and watch YouTube video for you. So these are what people are doing. I will watch any YouTube video with you. I will watch and write a YouTube video summary. Look at this. So all you need to do is to watch video for people and do summary for them. So these are different people making money watching YouTube videos online from their various countries, and you can start to do the same thing too from Nigeria. Thank you. Another jobs that you can do on Fiverr with no skills and zero knowledge is for you to start reselling services. All you need to do is to have multiple freelance website profiles like Upwork. This is my Upwork page. For instance, you come to Upwork, come and search for a particular category of job. Look at this place. They list some job here. They instructed that write one content word, 1,000, use 3 tools, copy scale, use, and Grammarly. So these are different kind of jobs that is listed here on Upwork. This is their pricing. All you need to do is to take this job here, go and resell it on Fiverr. You resell it to all these people. These people are ready to do this job at a cheaper price. Take job from other freelance websites. You come and resell it on this platform. All you need to do is to post this job here. You beat the price down, give it to people that are ready to do the work, and you will earn a margin. So this is another way to make money on Fiverr, doing reselling services. Take job from other freelance websites, come and give it to people that will do it here without you knowing how to do the job. All you need is to sign up on those various freelance websites and start working. Thank you. Another Fiverr job you can do with no skill and zero knowledge is doing proofreading jobs on Fiverr. All you need to do is that they will be giving jobs, articles, books to proofread and correct mistakes. It may require a level of experience, but this is what anybody that goes to school can do. Then with a lot of practice, you get better. These are people doing such business and earning dollars online through Fiverr. I will do an excellent job for proofreading. It's collecting $10. I will write perfect job, description, proofreading and books editing, $10. Proofreading and editing, $5. So these are a lot of different proofreading jobs you can do online and start making money. All you just need to do is to come to this site, sign up on Fiverr, search for people that are doing the same kind of job with you, and you start making money online in Nigeria. Thank you. Dropping comment on people's website and blog commenting is another job with no skill and zero knowledge that you can do. People need comment on their website to rank their posts. So this is why people are paying all these people to get this job done for them on Fiverr. You can visit people's website, read the article and drop the comment that is relevant to the article you've read. This is what all these people here, this is what they are doing to make money. Let me show you. I will do social media engagement, liking and commenting on posts. I will leave engaging comment on your blog. It's collecting $10. I will write engaging and relevant comment on your blog post, $5. So look at this one has done 21 jobs, charging $10. I will post relevant, authentic comment on your blog post, $5. I will read your blog and engage using SEO, $5. So these are various individuals collecting money, reading people's article, dropping their comments and making money. So all you need to do is to study these people doing this thing, design a gig like this, and you start making money online from Nigeria. Thank you. Another Fiverr jobs with no skills and zero knowledge you can do right now is creating business names and slogans for clients on Fiverr. If you are the type that have a lot of inspirations coming up of great names of businesses and companies and taglines, this is a great job for you. Look at different people making money on Fiverr, creating business names, brand names and slogans for different companies. Let me show you how much they are making. This person say, I will create catchy business name and slogan or logo. He's collecting $20 to start. He has done 171 of this job. I will create an amazing names and slogan for your business, $55. He has done 61 of those jobs. I will develop brand names and product names, domain names and slogan, $105. He has done 215 of that job. So these are different people meeting clients' needs. So all you need to do is to come to this platform, create your gig to be creating business names and slogans for companies. You will see a lot of customers here. You can see these categories are making a lot of money. This is a good way to make money with Fiverr, with no skill and zero knowledge. Thank you. So another job you can do on Fiverr with no skill and zero knowledge is transcribing and substitute. Look at these various individuals. They are ready to transcribe video and audio messages into text. There are a lot of jobs here on Fiverr for transcribing and substitute services. Look at a whole lot of them and look at the amount they are earning. $35, $5, $5. I did a YouTube video recently about 5 major websites where you can do transcribing jobs online in Nigeria, and those websites include Fiverr. You can see I will transcribe audio, do video transcription, $5. I will transcribe your audio video file fast and accurately. I will transcribe audio and do video transcription, $10, $5. People are making serious money doing this job, so you can start right now. Thank you. Another simple job you can do on Fiverr that require no skills and with zero knowledge is removing image background for people. These are different people removing image background for their clients. This one is collecting $10, $5, $5, $10, $5, $5. How does it work? There are many free software that you can use to remove image background for people. I did a full review of this. Watch this video here. You learn how to do that easily, very fast, and you can start earning and making money online in Nigeria. Watch that video. You learn how to do that very fast. Within 2 minutes, you've removed many image background. This is what all e-commerce stores do to their products. Before they display it on their e-commerce store, they remove the image background. That's why the background is white. So watch that video, sign up, and start removing image background and start making money for people. There are a lot of jobs. This one is 434 jobs, 589 jobs, 204, collecting all this money. This is what you can achieve too in Nigeria right now. Thank you. Doing errand business, that is running errands for people, is another way you can make money online through Fiverr from Nigeria. Look at these people. That's what they do. They do modern day messenger job for people. You can watch this video. It's a full review of how you can start an errand business in Nigeria. How it works that people will come to this website to send you to do something for them. Come to this website, they will give you instruction and deposit their money. As soon as you finish doing the job, this website will release the money to you. I did a full review on that video. So look at this person. I will offer any service you need from Nigeria. It's collecting $20. I will do anything for you from Nigeria, $10. I will do anything for you from Nigeria, $5. So these are different people running errands for people that are busy in Nigeria. They will meet here. People that need the job will come here, talk to people that are doing the job. Look at it. I will do any business work for you from Nigeria. I will do anything legit plus run errand for you from Nigeria. I will do anything for you in Nigeria. All these people, this is what they do, and they are collecting their pay. So you can start running errands for people and making money online through Fiverr in Nigeria. Thank you. You now know 10 Fiverr jobs you can do with no skills and zero knowledge from Nigeria. All you need to do is to take one of these jobs or multiple of them, create your gig and start working. You can get your money directly to your bank account in Nigeria using Payoneer. Payoneer is a payment company that's partnered with Fiverr, and all you need to do is to create your account using the link below the description of this video. Payoneer will give you a gift of $25, and the good thing is that you can attach either your dollar, pound sterling, euro account or Nigerian naira account to Payoneer and get those funds you've earned on Fiverr directly to your bank account in Nigeria. So do that fast and start making money in dollars to your account in Nigeria. It is important for you to acquire skills in today's world that you can use to distinguish yourself. It is your skills that will make room for you, even online, to make great impact that can help you earn a lot of money online. Working as a freelancer with Fiverr cannot earn you passive income. You have to always do these micro-task jobs to make money every day. This is why you have to consider starting an online business that you can work once and make money for a long time, and one of them is affiliate marketing. In fact, you'll be able to earn passive income doing affiliate marketing from Nigeria. I've done a lot of video on how to start affiliate marketing in Nigeria. Watch that video and it will take you through how you can start right now. I earlier promised to take you through the #1 affiliate marketing training center in the world that I discovered in 2016. I took the training and they assisted me to establish my website that is now making money via Amazon, Walmart, eBay, and so many other e-commerce stores. You can watch this video. It explains how you can start with them, do your training from Nigeria, step by step on how you sign up. Ensure you use my link so that I'll be able to see you on the platform. You can also join my email affiliate marketing training that is just 5 days. Go to askjofa.com, input your email and you start learning. I encourage you to subscribe to this channel, click my notification bell. It will help you to know whenever I publish my videos every week. So do well to drop your comment. I will get back to you as soon as possible. The next video will take you through the #1 business you can do online that is reliable and will help you to always earn passive income online in Nigeria. The second video also will take you to the #1 affiliate marketing training center, and how you can start with them is going to show you the various benefits of joining this program. Thank you for your time and God bless you.